my name is Miguel Fuentes and I'm a senior mechanical engineer here at Tech, and I'm a first gen student. Being a first gen feels like a blind roller coaster because you don't know what's coming. Everything is new and all the feelings that you are experiencing are like you didn't have like that background in the past. The first day that I came here, it was like one of the best days of my life, but the worst at the same time. When I came here, everything was new for me. I was the first one that was doing college here in the States, but also like doing college in general. It was very hard for me just to get used to a new work culture and a new environment. I felt that I was the one that didn't know what was going on. What I was doing was just like try to face all the challenges by my own, and that made my life very difficult at the beginning, but then I learned that everyone is just like facing different problems, but at the end of the day we all have challenges and troubles. So I tried to be more open of the things that I was feeling. Just trying to navigate that is very hard, and every time that I talk with an international student, it's like it's okay to feel that you don't get it. You will get how things work probably like in a month or two. And actually I choose Tech because the Formula trailer that was outside of the stadium, so that was like the main thing that motivated me to join Tech and not other university, because of the hands-on experience that we can get and the ME program that is pretty solid. And I will say like doing college is like a family goal. They were very supportive when I started my bachelor's. I will say like since it was a common goal for my family and myself, I just had to explain them like what was like how I felt with all of this going on, trying to show them what was like to be on my shoes. Something that I really like about Tech is it's a great university. We have like very good programs, but at the same time we have this sense of community within our students and faculty members. So it's very easy to find groups at Tech. I start my extracurricular activities here at Tech with Formula, so I was helping the team with the data acquisition part, trying to understand what was happening with the car. And then I moved from Formula to the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers, where my goal was to incorporate Tech with the national team. And we were able to host the first regional retreat here at Tennessee. I really like that, so I moved from the president position here at Tech to the sub-regional representative student position, where I serve other chapters across the nation. And then I participate in committees here at Tech. I was part of the intercultural committee here, just to try to improve the way that minorities engage to each other. So trying to incorporate all of the parts of our community and make sure that they have all the resources that they need to enjoy college. My future looks like I will be doing an MBA next year, and I will be joining Cummins as a project coordinator, helping the global warranty team and leadership. So very excited about that, and my goal of my personal career is just to enable technology that will help us to enjoy life, but also don't worry about the consequences. So very excited about the transition, building that new technology that probably changed the future of how things work. So when I see other first-gen students, I just feel they're passionate about what they dream about. So when I see someone like me struggling with classes and time management, it's just like seeing myself when I start, and just remember like why we put ourselves in this situation, just because we want to improve ourselves, our families, and just trying to pursue our dreams. So I just feel like all the passion when I see other first-gen students.